Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to let your friends join your private server on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Do you have a private server on Roblox but your friends can't join it? Or maybe you're not sure how to change the privacy settings to allow your friends access. If you've come to the right place, this video will show you exactly how to let your friend join your private server on Roblox step by step. So first of all, of course, how to open your Roblox. After that, you can just choose on the server or your private server on the place that you want to let your friend join. For the example, I want to let my friends join my private server on this game. I finish it, so you can go to servers. After that, you can choose on your server. So this one is my server. You can select like on here, the pencil icon in here, and in here, if the allow the joining is off, you can just turn on this feature. So, because disabling this makes the private server inaccessible for you and other user that you have invited to this private server, and invalidates the current link code. And you can also add people to your server member, and you can also enable this feature friends allowed. Don't forget to to let your friends join your private server, you have to enable this too, allow joining and also the friends allowed. It's very simple, right? And you can also check on your settings on Roblox, so you can go to more, select on settings, and you can go to here, privacy. From privacy, you can go to visibility and private servers. On private server, you can select on that. A private server is server game with limits we can join. You can choose everyone, so everyone on Roblox can join your private server. Or if you only want your friend who can join your private server, you can just select on friends. It's very simple, right? So that is how to allow your friends join your private server on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.